Good morning, everybody. It is once again Ted the Speed Learner, and we are continuing we're having our continuing saga of the periodic table of elements. We're going to start with number 49. It's indium. Now, as soon as you hear the word indium, you should think of Indians, okay? And if you will imagine an orb around the neck of an Indian, okay? This particular Indian has an orb around his neck. And I know that some people do not know what an orb is. Well, an orb is basically a sphere. Anybody that's seen a sphere will know what an orb looks like, okay? Now, if you imagine something like an arrowhead, it doesn't matter what the heck it is. If you imagine something inside the orb, okay, the IN is the symbol for indium, and the R and the B stands for number 49. Okay. If you will follow Harry Lorraine's memory techniques, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay. Now then, number 50 is tin. Okay. Its symbol is SN. You can do the research yourself and find out why its symbol is SN. But what we're going to do is we're going to use the whole word of snails. The S and the N is the symbol, the letter symbol for it. The L and the S represent the 50. And you can check this out with Harry Lorraine's memory techniques if you don't believe me. Antimony. Okay. Its symbol is SB. And the letters representing it will be LT. And what we're going to imagine is we have a submarine made of antineum. Can't imagine why anybody would make a submarine out of antineum, but let's just say that somebody makes a submarine out of antineum. And we have some kind of a light fixture on the very top of the submarine. Well, that light fixture is going to represent the number 51. Okay. Tellurium. Okay. We're going to imagine that there's a telephone ringing in your head, and this telephone is made out of tellurium. Drop the pH at a telephone and you'll have all the letters you need. Because the symbol is TE, the L is the 50, and the N is, of course, the 2. And you can find this out from Harry Lorraine's memory techniques. Iodine has the letters ILM. Now, anybody that knows anything about movies, has ever watched Star Wars, knows about industrial light and magic. Just imagine industrial light and magic is full of iodine, and there you go. Alright. Xenon. Xenon. It has the letters XELR. If we were to change the X to a C, we would have the word cellar. So, we're going to imagine a cellar full of xenon, and so therefore C can often sound like a Z if you really think about it enough times. So you've got your cellar, and XE, of course, is the symbol, the letter symbol, and the L and the R represent the 54. Okay. Now we have cesium. CS double L. The CS representing the symbol, the double L representing the number. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to imagine a guy's name. His name is CASSEL. Ever heard of the name Castle? Okay. Now, you could also imagine a big castle. Okay. I'm sure you've seen a lot of castles. If you've been to Disney World, you've seen a lot of castles. And you can just imagine a cesium castle. Okay. We have barium. If we were to spell the letters out, it would be BA for the symbol, and L and SH. I'm going to use the LSH combination for the number, which is number 56. And we're just going to imagine some lady who has barium lashes. I can't imagine why she would have lashes made out of barium. You know those fake eyelashes? Okay, we're going to imagine they're made out of barium. And she's batting her lashes at you. Okay. Alright. Lanthanum Lanthanum has LALK. The LA, of course, is the letter symbol. The L and the K are the letters that are going to represent the numbers. So now you have Lady Luck. Okay, so just drop the DY of Lady Luck. You've got the LA for the Lanthanum, and of course the L and the K from Lady Luck makes up your number. Alright, we have Cerium. We're going to imagine ice cubes in cereal, and we're laughing about it. Okay, we've got ice cubes in cereal, and we're laughing about it. And the reason for that is because of the CE. If you drop the I, you got the CE for cerium, and the L, we change the GH to PH, and we've got the thing we want, which is the number. Praseodymium, well, we got PRLB, so we're going to imagine that this is a poor chemistry lab, and we've made the poor chemistry lab out of praseodymium. Alrighty. And neodymium, well, you end up with the NDSHS, and when you do, you end up with nerd shoes. Okay, so you look at these nerd shoes, and they're made out of neodymium. Funky, huh? Alright, that takes care of the next lesson. I will tell you more in the lessons to come. Stay tuned.